Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys can tell I'm excited because in this video I'll be doing a wig review. This wig is from Amaren Beauty and it's the Ayaki texture upart wig in the shade color 1B with honey highlight. I'm just showing you guys the maintenance card, and the coils on this wig is so beautiful. You guys will be able to see it. It's so pretty and I love it so much. It comes with 3 clips on the inside, and it doesn't come with a band, but it sits perfectly on my head. So the first thing I would do is brush out my hair, do the whole parting, because I want to do a middle part and I want it to look as natural as possible. So I brought out a little bit of leave out, and then I'm braiding my hair, so it will not mix with the hair I'm going to sleek back. So I'm sleeking back my hair with some gel and my brush. Yeah, I was feeling myself because I love my natural hair so much. So yeah, you have to secure it at the back, and then I brought out a little bit of baby hairs to lay when I've put on the wig. Yeah, because I cannot do without laying my edges. I need to lay my edges to survive. Yeah, so I'm just brushing it out. Then it's time for me to put my wig. Do you see how beautiful this wig is? Like, the coils is so good. Amaren Beauty did their thing, and this wig is very affordable, very affordable. So the first thing you do is to make sure that the clips are open before you put it on your head. Then you clip it when you place it down. Look at how cute. Look at how cute. So I'm brushing out my leave out. I'm going to try to make sure that my parting is straight because I suck at parting my hair. I even had to call my sister, but you guys are not going to see it. Yeah, so I'm brushing out my hair. Now, I wish I straightened my hair before I put this wig because my hair didn't really blend with the wig and it made me very upset. Like, now that I'm watching the video, I'm just pissed off. But it turned out cute, but I wish I straightened my hair. So make sure you straighten your hair before you put on any upart wig, okay, so that it will blend perfectly with the wig. But it wasn't terrible. I didn't hate it, but I wish I straightened my hair before putting on the wig. But you can see I'm still feeling myself. Okay, so now I'm about to lay my edges. This part was stressing me. I don't know, like, my hair was just interfering with everything. In fact, I almost gave up. I almost started crying, but I have to do this. I have to film for this brand, so I couldn't give up. I was sweating. Everywhere was hot. Nigeria is hot. Yeah, leave those edges, girl. So yeah, this is the finished look. I really loved how it turned out. I wish I straightened my hair. It didn't really blend with the wig, so make sure you straighten your hair. And I'm going to show you guys little clips of Snapchat videos I did.